on some screws for the DVD player. You can see right there. Right there. Right there. And should be one right there. So, see if I can put it at an angle. See if I can see it. There we go. That was a bad one. I don't think I mentioned, but this is a class project. So we chose this, by the way. So this is not what I want to do. Just to let you guys know. I just want to get my grade. And we got one screw. Oh. Oh, the screw got stuck. Yeah, that's a problem. This is unedited. Everything is gonna be unedited because I don't have any time. This is unedited. You can skip forward. This is giving me a trouble. So if you can't get it with the long, you can just use your hands, just like this, and twist. Use your hand and twist. So I do have TA for first period, so I do come in here, and sometimes I chill, but I have a class project. So this is what I do. And work needs to be done is done. So this little nail came from over here, which is the DVD player. See if I can get this other screw. Other screws being. We're about to leave, so I'll catch you guys in third period.